Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the day dawned on the Eastern Conference Regionals cricket for under-13 youth, the pitch beckoned its brave hearts. Team DC and Team NY entered the arena, aware that only one could emerge as a victor in this juvenile joust.
The air was thick with anticipation, the young warriors of DC and NY poised for a clash of epic proportions. Every run, a thread in the tapestry of triumph, every wicket, a twist in this thrilling tale set to unfold.
Before the battle commenced, a moment to salute our patrons, key players behind the scenes. Without them, this thrilling match would not be possible. Thanks for weaving this vibrant cricketing fabric with us.
Weaving dreams with the finest cricketing gear, Top Cricket Store made quality meet affordability. Meanwhile, SMK Global ensured our health needs, and North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy nurtured these sprightly youngsters, setting the stage for today's gripping saga.
DC's opening pairing spun a web of runs, a resolute partnership that laid a foundation thicker than bark. Their swords clashed valiantly against NY's bowling brigade, setting a competitive total.
Strategy and precision shaped the first innings narrative. NY, though without a triumph in wicket-taking, confined DC's scoring with a maiden and disciplined lines, leaving an open stage for a challenging chase.
In reply, NY's batsmen stitched together partnerships, each run a precious pearl strung tightly. Yet, it was DC's bowlers who held the thread taut, with Singla snipping away at NY's hopes.
Atharva Dhok and Ayush Patel's partnership for NY was a glimmer of hope, but DC's bowlers, led by Singla, crafted a narrative of pressure and precision, morphing the finale into an edge-of-the-seat drama.
Bhardwaj shone with bat and ball, a true alchemist turning leather and willow into gold. Singla's spells weaved magic to derail NY's innings, while Dhok's valiant knock held the flame for NY.
The unsung artisans of this cricketing canvas, impactful in their own right. Bhardwaj's dual role was pivotal for DC, while Singla's spellbinding bowling shifted the match tides, and Dhok emerged as the backbone for NY.
In the end, DC triumphed by a mere 4 runs in this scintillating saga. It was the tight bowling at the death and the early foundation laid with the bat that edged them to victory.
The cheers and gasps of spectators punctuated the finale as DC emerged victorious. A testament to the fine margins in cricket, where every delivery counts and every strategy is put to the test. The stands empty, but the echoes of the thrilled crowd linger, the thrill of victory, the agony of defeat. Today's match was a textured mural, memorable for its twists and heart-stopping climax.
And so, the tale concludes, with DC etching their names in the annals of this U13 Eastern Conference. As the dust settles, these moments will be cherished, fueling dreams and rivalries for encounters yet to come.